Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 4 of Off the Board YouTube Hop. So for the month of July, we are choosing to create every day using something from Pinterest as inspiration. So I'll pop up here what is my inspiration today, and it looks like it has nothing to do with scrapping. It's actually pointillism. So I'm sure you all know what that is. It's creating photos or images, pictures, paintings, whatever, out of just little dots. It's different to the Aboriginal native art because theirs tells more a story and certain symbols mean certain things. But this pointillism is just filling an area with dots. So I thought, well, I'm going to try that. And the photos I am scrapping today is this game that we found in an op shop. So an op shop here in Australia is a charity shop. And every so often, every couple of months, we'll go around all the local charity shops and just have a browse. And we love playing board games. So we found this board game in a shop and it was a whole $5. And it's called First Around the World. And it's a really cool game. So I thought, well, this lends itself to do pointillism for a world map. Of course, if you look at the game board, it is all little dots. The white ones here, that's the water. You travel along these by boat, or you fly along the red lines, or in the coloured continents you go by car. So it's just a really fun game, and I'd never ever seen it before, but we love playing it. So there you go. And I thought, well, a world map would be really cool. So I downloaded a world map off Creative Fabrica, cut it out on my Brother Scanner Cut, and I thought, well, I could put that at the top and the bottom of the page and fill it in with little dots. So that's the idea. Whether it works or not, I don't know, but that is what I'm going to be doing. And then I've just got like the orange cardstock to base the photo on. I've got a heap of embellishments here. My alphas for my title. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. Probably the paler blue one. I found some really old rub-ons that have like an aeroplane and a suitcase and another plane and arrows. And I'm going for like a blues and orange theme. So I thought, well, they work. Whether the rub-ons still work or not, I don't know, because these look really old. I'm looking for a date. I don't see one. finishingtouchideas.com.au. So they're Australian, but yeah, they probably don't even work anymore. Anyway, I also have an old Amy Tangerine acrylic stamp with a world map on it. So I thought, well, that also I stamped and can cut that in half and maybe use that as tucking somewhere. Who knows? But yeah, got them. And some other embellishments here. I just picked out everything that was orange, blue, sort of in the right colours and things, icons and stuff I can use for like a world travel type of page. And then a heap of embellishments over here. So I'm going to do the pointillism and we'll see how that goes. Now, to do the pointillism, I am just using on an acrylic block some blue re-inker. I have no blue paint, so I'm using a balmy blue Stampin' Up! Ink on an acrylic block with a e-cleaner. What are they called? Yeah, anyway, I don't know. My brain's mush today. Jeez, I wonder I can string a sentence together. Alright, so fingers crossed this works. Let's get this page started. Okay, there's my layout. I think the pointillism on the back is something really different and unique, and you can tell, well, down here you can tell a country, which then if you can't tell what that is at the top, then you go, oh, okay, that must be the other half of the world map. You can see Australia and New Zealand down here. Yay, way to go. Yeah, so that's something different. I possibly could have done a narrower orange band in the middle so you would have seen more of it. But anyway, first time I've done it, and it was an experiment. I think it works, so really happy about that. A few things I wanted to point out. This blue down here is actually from a pillow, what do they call those pillow boxes? It was from a kit from Stampin' Up, and I didn't use it as a pillow box, so I've just left them in my stash of colour things, in my colour boxes. And when I saw it, I went, well, that's the right blue, so I just trimmed that to make 2 tucking pieces. All these embellishments, well, most of them are from my colour boxes, with the exception of I think these were from a Uniquely Creative Cuts packet, and the World Globe. Everything else was basically from just, I went through all my embellishments and went through my colour boxes to pick out the different things. And yeah, there you go. I think that works. If you want to see what everyone else is doing this month with taking inspiration off Pinterest, there's a playlist down below in the description box. Make sure that you check that out. Also, if you have liked this video, give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell so that you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.